At a press conference held on the 25th of June 2022, the members of the Meghalaya Football Association, that included Tournament Director of the MSL, Wanshan Kharkrang, Tournament Director of the MYL, Sunesh Syiem, member of the MSL and MYL organizing committees, Dr. Lambor Mausor, and Assistant Tournament Director of the MSL and MYL, Arki Nongrum, had announced that the third edition of the Meghalaya State League will commence in October this year, once again bringing the best clubs from all over the state in one platform. The MFA also announced the launch of the new MFA Youth Leagues for the under 13, under 15 and under 17 youth clubs. The League of Champions is supported by the Meghalaya government, being the first in India to organize the Golden Baby Leagues for children under 12 years.
I'd like to bring good news that the third edition of the Meghalaya State League is going to happen again this year. As per the schedule, we should be ready to kick off on 15th of October. Just to recap, we've had the MSL in the year 2018 and 2019. 2018 was the inaugural venture, bringing about a different approach towards having a state league. And this is primarily the champions of the respective district associations. There are 21 affiliated district associations with the MFA. So the champion teams of each district association qualifies to play the Meghalaya State League. The Shillong Sports Association being an association which is in the forefront in promoting football in the state and having the best league structure, they've been given advantage of 4 teams qualified from the SSA league. This year we have come again with this MSL. It's not that we did not want to have the MSL in the last 2 years. All of us know it's because of the COVID, and it has restricted all the sporting activities. But then this year the associations have again reactivated their footballing calendar, and we felt it was necessary to come with the MSL so that it will be also an opportunity for the associations who are conducting the leagues to have another platform of sending the champion teams to finally try to be the champions of the state.
The MFA also announced the beginning of a statewide system of youth leagues.
The MFA has announced the beginning of its long-held dreams, means the beginning of the statewide system of youth leagues, the creation of which was delayed by the pandemic. Actually, just for your information, actually in the yesteryears, in the years of 88, 89, when we were playing, actually we used to have this a tournament called the inter-district tournament, the sub-juniors and the juniors. But MFA this time have done away with all that. So we are now introducing this, the youth leagues. So here, actually, we are having the youth league comprising of 3 categories, that is the under 13, under 15, under the 17. And which will have Meghalaya a unique football structure in the country. So as you all know that Meghalaya has had a remarkable success at the youth levels, especially in the recent years when the state won the under 17 boys Super Cup, the sub-junior nationals football championship both in 2019. This month, Meghalaya has also secured bronze medal at the Khelo India Youth Games, and in 2018, one of the premier clubs in the state, Shillong FC, became the champions of the AIFF under 18 Youth League title. So the Youth League will be inducted into the CRS and CMS of the All India Football Federation to achieve the goal of professionalizing the football ecosystem of the state and reduce the possibility of age fraud.
We came up with the Meghalaya Youth Leagues, which is very similar to the Meghalaya State League, but however we followed the guidelines of the All India Football Federation. This is going to be one, again, like how the MFA conducted the baby leagues for the first time and it became a pilot for the whole nation to follow. This is going to be very, very similar. This is going to be the first youth league in the whole country at this extent, and also nearly every single category moving into the CRS and the central management systems. Even the Meghalaya State League, for that matter, this year will be moving into the central management systems. More than that, the pathway for these baby leagues will be going into the under 13, under 15 and under 17. And above and beyond all of that, this whole thing will be divided into 5 zones. So we'll be having, the format is that we will be having 5 zones. We've identified the 5 major districts of Meghalaya, which is Ribhoi, Jaintia Hills, West Khas Hills, East Khas Hills and Garo Hills. And there will be a bidding to host the venues, for the host venue.